minute time frame I'm currently using, and now you can see I have taken one trade here at this point, at this level, and it retested now right now. So because why I have taken this trade, I'll explain all the logic behind this trade. Before that, I would like to know my audio video is okay or not, it's fine or not. It's a very good, or you can say very perfect entry here we got. Actually the entry is here only, but I have some late in this trade, and I got the trade here right now, okay, at 6 p.m. right? So it's a momentum trade, and I'll tell you all the logic behind this trade, right? So just give me 5 minutes. Actually I need to observe this trade, manage all risk and reward ratio right now on the front of you. So before I'm explaining all the things here, I just have to introduce like where will be my stop loss and target text, all the things, right? So if the trade again come at this point right now, it's a fair value gap, one more here, you can see if the gold will come up and in this fair value gap, what I'll do, I'll add one more quantity here, or it strap in, and I'll put the stop loss here, right, or the same level, and I'll put my same target here, right? Target still not decided, but definitely I'll check the target and all the things. The target should be here, right? Target should be here. So this is the 1:1.8 or 9, you can say the ratio is of this current ongoing trade. If I got the trade here, then it will be 1:2, right, with the same stop loss and one more quantity here, right? So I would like to explain the logic right now. So what is the logic behind this trade? You can see I came and checked into the 1 hour and 15 minute or daily time frame. There is a downside momentum into the market, right? And yesterday you can see the candle how close is closed below this previous day candle low. So the daily bias is on downside. So I have checked, there is a very huge rejection from this support line here we have marked yesterday, and you can say market is coming down. And if you go into the 1 hour chart, you can see there is an downtrend continuation here. I came to the 15-minute chart and I saw this candle, right? This candle. I'll remove all the things, and you can see this candle. This is a perfect liquidity sweep candle, or you can say rejection candle it is, right? After that candle, I wanted to take the entry on this candle, but this candle is going to close, and at that time I came into the 5 minute. I never see any change in state or anything in the 5 minute chart, so I came down to the 3 minute chart, and I saw there is a change in state here, right, at this point, and there is a FVG also, right? FVG in 1 minute time frame right here. First FVG is here. So what I did, like this FVG is already tested here. You can see this is the mitigated SFVG. So I have not entered here, like I was here, so I'm not able to catch this opportunity because I'm not in the market at the time. So I have seen like there's a FVG, still there is a point of interest in the market, and I thought like I can go with small quantities, right? So I have put it my somehow small quantities here at this moment here on 6 p.m. and I kept my stop loss here, and there should be the target below the previous day, or like open low, right? You can see here there is a low open here only, right? So before that we have our target. So previous day low, definitely it will take, if gold will have the movement on downside. So I can see like this can be a perfect trade here, right? In 5-minute chart you can see how the rejection is in this level. So if we got the change in state here at this moment, then definitely market will come down, and we can get this target easily here. So this is my target here on the front of you, and stop loss also front of you. There should be a 50% profit booking at this level, right? This is the 50% profit level booking, marked as a template here, like profit booking 50% here on this level, right? I will sold my 50% quantity here, and more 50% or 75% on this level somewhere. I will mark that 75% also here, right? So this is a 75% profit booking level. You can see market gold is trying to pull down right now. I hope my audio video everything is fine and you can able to see and hear me. Right? I would like to check once everything is fine or not, because everything should be fine. Right? Yeah, my video is coming here also, and video is coming here also, so everything is fine and going well. Okay, so I got the perfect trade here on the front of you. I explained all the logic behind this trade, right? So gold is trying to move down. There is an support level here, like from this point gold started moving up, and it's testing so many times right now. So here it says shade but pull up here also, but now maybe it can be broke this level. So it's trying to break here. I hope it will break right now. If it not, then it can be move up, take some retracement and come down, but it should have to come down, right? I was trying to consolidate here. So this is a 15-minute chart. Here you can see there is a fair value gap is creating right now on 15-minute chart, right? And this candle, 15-minute candle, current candle, is going to close on 6:30 p.m. So let's see what will happen in 5-minute chart. There should be a change in state we should have right now. So this change in state should be like that, right? Should be like right. This is a change in state. It's going to create right now in the gold. After the change in state, definitely the gold come down and it will hit our target levels. It's 50% and 75% and actual target level, right? So please wait here. I'm also strongly waiting here to check how gold perform or how gold is moving down here, but gold should have to move down, right? Last 1 minute is remaining to close this candle, and it shows if close it like that, then it will be the change in state right now. So I'm strongly waiting here. This trade like that, also like this above, you can put your stop loss above this level, and you can get the target 1:2 here only, or here only, right, on this level. So it can be like that, but my level or my target is somewhere now here. I've entered in the trade waiting for change in state and 50% target level or 75% target level in this trade. Let's see what will happen. This is a strong support here, right? And it's gold is respecting that level right now, trying to break, but somewhere there is a rejection from downside here. There's a retracement from this level, and this level is very, very strong right now. So many buyers are here, like, to buy the gold. Because of that, the gold move like from this point to this point, and now the gold is on this point A. So point A should be break, right? This is the point A, and this is the point B, right? The point A should be break right here. Point A should be break, and this is the line this is the line of point A, and it should be break. If it will not break, then there should be somewhere upside movement in the gold. By looking this candle here, this is the 15-minute candle, the rejection candle here. There should be downfall or downside movement in the gold, right? Like continuation of this trend, right? Coming from this side, right? This. So this is the downtrend. You can see this is a retracement, and again the downtrend will continue here, right? And this picture I am looking here, but there is a strong support here, right? There is a strong support. Because of that, buying is going on this level. Let's see what will do gold. We are here also for add some quantities in the gold. Right now we are in the profit also, but our target levels are this. There is a 50% target here. I'm waiting for, after that, 75% on this level. Okay. What do you think, guys? What do you think? What gold will do here? Okay, so this is an rejection level. You can see here so many rejection is coming from this level. I want change in state here at this level actually. Now the change in state will be here. Let's see what will happen now. This 15-minute candle is closed here, and there is a fair value gap in the 15-minute time frame, you can see, and this is like that, which is here on the front of you, right guys? So tap in also done. Now it's time to come down. Now the gold should be come down from this level, come down from this moment here. This is the 15-minute time frame, and we can see the FUG in the 15-minute time frame also, right? The tap in also done, right? The 15-minute time frame tap in also done. So it's time to go, come down, give change in state here, and move down strongly, as per my point of view, guys. What do you think? What do you think, guys? Can gold come down or not? How many people are watching right now? Tell me, all of you, gold will come down or not? What gold will do here at this moment, at this point, right? I'm very excited to hear from your side. There should be downside movement right now in the gold. Drinking some water increases your patience level. So I always drinking water while trading, right? This is a strong support, and it should be break, because there should be the downside movement in the gold. In 5-minute chart, I would like to go in 1 minute and like to see what is going on 1 minute. You can see this 15-minute candle is continuation. The fair value gap, there is a point of interest here, right? What I'll do, I'll remove this trade right now. This is trade is continuing right now. I never got entry here right now because gold is not came here at this level. When it will come, then I'll enter into the trade again with the second quantity or second lots, right? But right now I'm not thinking that gold have to come at this level, because this is a point of interest area here. 15-minute chart. It's 6:30 p.m. and nice tea I will saying right now, my brothers. Current time in IST I will put here. Okay. Indian timestamp, right? The current Indian timestamp you are watching right now here below. Okay. Indian Standard Time it is right now. UTC plus 530, right? UTC plus 530. UTC plus 530 it is. Okay. Oh, it's fine. Perfectly fine right now. Current time with UTC plus 530. Okay. Go trying to retrace here somewhere with this support. You can see, and it's came near to my cost entry level. What do you think, guys? That should be the movement in the market in downside right now. Gold is trying to move up right now. Stop loss is on this level. right above this level. You can see here. There is a retracement, right? It is a retracement, like gold maybe trap each and every buyer here, maybe because it's on support and everyone trying to buy here at this level, right? Everyone will try to buy at this level, and this is an buying, you can say slowly buying, not sharp buying like that, but it's a slow buying. So this is an retracement in the gold. Maybe the gold can come down and on from this level, or can come on this point of interest, which is in 1 minute chart. You can see it's an FVG. Fill all the gap here. It's a fair value gap, and it's filled actually the 15-minute fair value gap, and it's filled by this candle, by this current candle. Only this point of interest is here pending, and maybe the gold can come one more time to tap in this FVG, right guys? Let's see. I've taken entry here. Gold came down on the support and taking some retracement right now here, and I would like to see now what will happen. Can gold come down once again or not? 5-minute chart, you can see this is a complete buying right now here. Continuous green candles are going to form here. So this is also a liquidity sweep here at this level. Let's see guys. I'm strongly waiting for my stop loss and targets. I can see the W in this W pattern in the gold, right? So maybe it can be hits our stop loss here. Removing this fair value gap, this is not respected here. this trade is like that, like here is an stop loss, and 1:2 target is here only, right? 1:1.5 we are getting right now. I'm waiting for right target and right stop loss right now. I don't want to change anything. Now there is a change in state here, you can see in the 15-minute chart. Now it's time to go move up. There is a change in state, right? Let's see, friend. Your gold can take liquidity of this level and come down. Or let's see what gold will do right now. Gold pay come one more time on my cost or entry level. I'll close this position, right? Because I can see here there is a change in state here, and gold can come for retracement at my entry level. So if gold come back to my entry level, I'll try to close this trade. I don't want to lose anything in this trade, but let's see what will happen. Like to see and learn each and everything with each and every trade. After changing state, there should be the movement in the gold, but it's not moving. Does that mean this is an rejection area? So maybe the gold can reject from this point, because after changing state in bigger time frame, gold should have to move. Right here you can see this is an 15-minute time frame, right? So on the 15-minute time frame there is a change in state here, you can see clearly, right? After changing state, gold should move strongly upside, like this type of candle should be create here, but there is a rejection, right? There is a very slow movement in the gold right now. So maybe gold can come down from this level, because this level also as a acting as a rejection level to come down. It's a resistance here, right? So you can see these are the levels here, right? This was an support here, right? This was an support here. So like gold is trying to take a retracement at this level, and same level the gold is trying to pull down and getting rejected. Let's see what gold will do on this level right here. I'm very interested to see this all, right guys? So this is the level, and from attack this level gold is moving down. So this is an, can say, the resistance line here, right? If gold comes to my cost entry level, I'll try to close this trade, right? because I'm not able to see any potential here in this trade, because you can see this is an support zone, this is an resistance zone, and we are stuck into mid side or mid here. So gold is taking some rejection on this level. So this is an resistance, you can see clearly, right? This is an resistance here, and in this area the gold is moving down, and this is a support area, and I'd like to see which will going to break on the New York session. So it's 7 p.m. right now, going to open after 8 to 9 minutes. The New York section will going to open here, right? My stop loss is currently here on this level. There should be downside movement, right? In 5 minutes there should be change in state here. Now there is a rejection here in the 5 minute, but there should be change in state here, the 5 minute chart. Also, because of that, like I'm thinking to add some quantities on this fair value gap like initially, but gold is moves down and come like this, this is very long back-to-back green candles in the 1 minute chart, and it takes time to come on this point of interest right here. So initially I strongly waiting for this point of interest, like gold should come at this level, and I will add some more quantity in this trade, but it's taken time to come here right now. So because of that, I'm not confident like to add some quantities here, but I would like to close this trade at my entry level only, I don't want to lose here anything in this trade, which is my first trade right now. I have risk appetite more. After this trade I can take more trades, 2 more trades, I know, but this is my first trade, and first trade I want to close it in break even, or you can say in the green side. Gold is struggling here, you can see. There should be change in state here at this level. So it's trying to move up. It came near to my entry, but trying to move up right now. Let's see what will happen. This is a strong rejection area here. One more time it's going to test this area, and definitely it will come down. Let's see. You can see there's a rejection in the 5-minute chart. From bottom and top side also. Let's see what will happen. Now the New York session is going to open. Is there any news in the New York session? I have not checked. The news is on 7:30, like CB leading index M&M. Not on 7 p.m. It's 7:30 p.m. What do you think, guys? Can gold come down or move up? What you thinking? Like it's changing straight here on the top, and maybe the gold can come upside right now. It's the timing of New York session, and let's see what will happen. I'm strongly waiting here at this level. In 1 minute, it's already broken. Let's see. I have my stop loss at 42670 level. 42670 exact. Not 9970 exactly. So it's a New York session opening time. It's a continuation, maybe an upside in the New York session. Let's see. Oh my god, it's a strong upside move right now in the New York session. There's a huge liquidity in the market right now, and its market is very aggressive and liquidate. Right now it's hitting OSL right here, so it's a very big move here. You can see all the guys. It's hitting our stop loss right now. Let's see. Still my stop loss is pending here, but definitely it will hit because it's taken the liquidity right now at this level, and now it will take my stop loss also right here. Yes, this was the first trade here. Right now I lose my some small quantities here. No issues, we have risk appetite, and definitely next trade we can make money. It's small risk actually. You can see 180 pips, but I have taken very small quantities here because the SL is very far from the entry point. It's upside movement in the market, right? There is a 15-minute chart, and you can see this is the actual rejection in the market, and after that market gives time to enter here in the buy side, but actually I'm already in the sell side, so I'm not looking for buy at this point because this is an downfall, and after that there should be the continuation after some retracement, right? No worries guys, we have another levels or another points here. So this is our first trade here, right? We got some loss in this trade. No worries. It's a small quantity and it's perfectly fine. Now there is a change in state in 1 hour. You can see here. There is a change in state here in 1 hour time frame. There will be change in state or not, we need to check. Especially into the 5-minute, I would like to check and see. You can see there is a no liquidity sweep in the 5-minute chart, right? So we have taken trade here, but there is a no liquidity sweep here. In 15-minute there is a liquidity sweep, but this is a not strong level. Actually there is a support point here near to this liquidity sweep. So this was my mistake here, like to take the trade at this level, nothing another. And here the gold give chance to close the trade here at this level, but we have not closed this trade. Why, I don't know, but I strongly waiting for my target or stop loss. So we have hit our stop loss in my first trade, in our first trade. Those who are taken the trade, I already told all you guys, like take small quantity, right? Already I have taken, and you can enter with small quantity. This is a very bigger SL, you can see here. Always I'm not working at the same SLC or same levels. Actually I required some 80 pips or 60 pips SL, but this is 180 pips SL, but I have taken very small quantity here. So this was not a logical trade actually. There's a logic behind that, but not more confirmations here like change in state or any other. There is a fair value gap, but it's in 1 minute or 3 minutes only, so that will not work. And this was my mistake here, you can see. And this NW pattern here you can see, and currently it's broken right now, so gold can come right down, take some retracement and move up. So what we will do, we'll check one more rejection at stronger level, and then we can go for any side, you can say. What we'll do, I'll take the US 500 and US 100 here, like this is unchanging state in US 500 right now. And you can see these are the levels where I'll come down. Changing state here, there is a FVG, it's a liquidity sweep here with multiple confirmation trade. If this candle closes below this level, then it is an multiple confirmation trade, right? What we can do, then go to 1 minute and check the point of interest, perfect point of interest area, and we can enter into the trade. This 22 points SL, it's very big SL here also. In the US 100 also, there's a change in state is going on. For that, this is an FVG here, right? And we can enter here in this trade. If it will retrace, no, right now, after some time. what we can do, we can take small one more trade here. This will be the target here. I got the chase here, right? This will be the SL. Target will be 1:2, right? Here will be 50% profit booking. %75 here. It's fine. It's a perfect entry, you can see, guys. It's a perfect entry. We near to our 50% target right now. After we hitting our 50% target in this trade, what we'll do, we can trail our SL to our CTC, or we can say entry level, right? So please wait. Now I would like to trail my SL at this level, right? Yeah, we booked our 50% profit in this trade. So what we'll do, we will trail our SL to the CTC, right? it's an SL. So what I'm doing, I'm trailing my SL here at this moment, right? So right now you can see we have booked our 50% profit here and 75% is here right below this point. This is a small scalping trade. I have taken much more quantity in this trade because I have seen the potential in this trade, right? You can take your quantities as per your knowledge or as per your risk appetite, you can say. So this trade hitting my 75% target level right now. You can see it goes to book my 75% target here. Yeah, now 75% target also done here in this trade, and I hope it will give my 100% target here. So it's a very perfect trade I got right now. You can see all the guys. This is a very perfect trade here. I booked my 75% target here and now hitting my 100% target right now. Our first trade is wrong right here, I know, because there is a mistake in the first trade. I have taken so very small quantities in this trade, and I've taken like a very small loss in this trade. But this trade make more the profit than this loss, 3 times more profit in this trade on the front of you guys, right? So there should be the patience you have for right entry at right point. Okay guys, everything is on the front of you. This is the changing state I have already marked here, and after retesting to this level changing state, I have taken the entry. You can say there is a fair value gap and I have taken the entry here. You can see guys, the 100% profit also booked here, and we achieved our first profit level here in 2 times 3 times more than our first loss, right? So this is a trade we have made profit here more than this. So this is a perfect trade here, right? You can see now this is an changing state in the 5-minute chart also going to happen right now, where we have booked our profit here, and the 15-minute chart you can see this is an rejection, right? This is an rejection, but this is not a liquidity sweep here, right? Then liquidity sweep of these levels, this is an resistance area, but I would like to recent liquidity sweep, so I'm not interested to sell once again here at this level. So there is no re-entry in this trade right now. So this is the perfect trade I got. After taking my profit, it's reverting back. you can see how the profit or target level also very important. So marking your target at right level, it's very important, guys. What I'll do, how much we achieved in this trade? 150 pips we have achieved in this trade, more than 150, like 157 pips. Stop loss also very low, or there is no stop loss in this trade, you can say, because after taking this trade it's not go above my entry level, it's come down into the profit level, right? Profit area. So there is no risk in this trade, and I like such trades. This is my mistake, I know. This is the first trade mistakenly I taken by looking 15-minute chart, but there is a ESL is here at this level, actually above this level, like above this level, because it's sweep liquidity of this level and come down. So ignore the first trade because it's very small quantity we have taken into the first trade, but second trade we have successfully taken bigger lots and successfully booked our 50%, 75% and 100% profit here, right? Stan Masambu, welcome to the stream. How are you, bro? Hey bro, afternoon. Yeah bro, good afternoon. How are you? How are you, dear? How are you, Stan? What's going on? What's up? I'm good. You're there. Yeah, I'm also good. Just like you only. What happened to my face cam? I don't know what happened. Let me open it once again. So it's fine. So Stan, I've taken two trade in currently right before New York session opening and after the New York session opening time. So in first trade we got loss. We have taken very small quantities in this trade. There's a logic in the logic behind this trade in the 15-minute chart. I'll tell you, like here I've taken this trade at this level, right, or at this level maybe, okay, near to here, and we have set it our target level here, but the trade is going wrong. Like it's achieved my 50%, but it's went or move back to the SL area, and we have not moved our SL here, but it's a very small quantity because there is a 150 pips SL here. So I have taken very small quantities at this level, but in this trade I got the very huge profit, like 150 pips target I have achieved. And what is the logic behind this trade? You can see the 5-minute or 3-minute chart. There is a liquidity sweep here, right? At this point, liquidity sweep is here. After that, change state I have seen in the 1-minute chart, right? And on the retraced area, I've taken the trade. And you can see after taking the trade how it's come down. Like I got the profit. My SL was here, right? And I have booked more than 1:2 profit here. SL was on 74 pips and target is 157 pips. Now currently on 5-minute chart, you can see there is no any liquidity sweep or anything here right now. Like gold has to come down, like gold should break this point here, or for this support, we can say big, but so it's like respecting this area. So many buyers are here. If gold will broke this level, they directly come to the yesterday low, right? Yesterday low is pending right now in the market. And daily bias, you can see it's also selling side. So you can see the gold is moving down right now. This is an ascending state here, right? This candle it's retested once again here, so you can make re-entry here at this level, but the opportunity is gone right now, and we don't have more target here, right? 1:2 we want minimum, but there is a no 1:2 target, so we can't enter here in this trade because this is the 90 pip 91 pips SL is here, and against the SL we are not getting 1:2 here, so we don't like to enter in this trade, right? Company, hey homie, I can share your stream in a key community to help hit 100% followers and 800 views, and also on 1000 per stream. Add me on Discord, Robo. It's fine, my bro. I'm not here to famous or increase my community for like to earn the money from any platform, right? I'm here to give the knowledge, learn each and everything which I have experience, right? So I'm so sorry. Going trade. You came to the wrong channel, my dear. Maybe. Okay, bro, if I became profitable, what other businesses you can recommend for me to invest my profit on it? You have to open your passive income, my dear Stan. Like you have to make your different passive incomes. Passive income in the sense the income which gives you money without you working, right? Or without your presence, like you enter in the real estate or rent your home, store or anything, right? Yeah, there are so many passive incomes, so you can invest your money in that and you can make your future. So after you're getting old, you don't have to work, you just have to sit anywhere. You have to enjoy your life and earn the money by sitting anywhere, right? I hope you understand what I'm saying. So gold is moving down right now, and I hope right now it will break this level. Let's see, I'm excited to see here like what the gold will do here. So this is a very good trade here, right? I'm same thing I expected here on this level, but it is not happened here, right? Now it's third attempt. Yeah, I know it is not related to trading, but I am trying to figure out some opportunities so that I can have an aim for my profit. Okay. Related to trading, what you do, you can, if you have great experience, you can write a book or create a different videos of your course, which will beneficial for each and everyone which are trying to get success into the trading. So you can make your courses, or you can be a partners of some other communities, right? For that you should have and get experience in the market, and you can build a community. So gold is trying to break this level. This is a very strong support. You can say that it's a third attempt. You can be right. This is the first attempt, right? Not able to break. The second attempt here, right? Point here is the first attempt. This is a second attempt, and this is a third attempt right now. Gold is trying. Okay. Let's see what we'll do. Gold. By looking 5-minute chart, there is no liquidity sweep here, right? At this level. If gold will sweep the liquidity of this level, then definitely I will look for buying this area, but I hope there is a no buying because it's an continuation will be going on, right? So this is a downtrend from this point, right? You can see here this is a downtrend like that. Now this is the point where gold retrace one more time and trying to move down here, right? Like that. So let's wait here. So this is the move of gold. Today's market, you saw, this is the move of gold, and there is a open low here, previous day low here. So gold should come to hit the low below. Do you trade news? I don't like to trade the news. Honestly, I'm speaking, Stan. I don't like, because the news, we don't know the news are positive or negative, right? We know the news time, right, by looking the Forex factory website. We can get know the timing of the news, but we don't know actually, like news is positive or negative today, like. So because of that, we don't like, we can't predict the direction of the news, right? So because of that, I don't like to trade in the news. And there is a huge fluctuation in the news, so because of that, I avoiding the news timing or news. So at this point, is gold trying to break this level? I was expecting this will happen here only, but gold taken some retracement or respect this level here and taken some retracement here, but right now it's trying to break this level. If gold will consolidate here at this moment, right, like that, if gold consolidate here, then I'll wait for to break the consolidation at any side, and after that I'll take the trade. Okay bro, I understand that, because volatility can take out all your capital. Yes, you're absolutely right. Volatility is very, very high at the time of news, right? So it can go like one candle can spike and hit your target or hit your stop loss, and it's depend on your luck. Actually 99% is depend on your luck, like you'll get the profit or not. If your luck is very good, then you can do that trade into the news, but especially I'm not recommend, or not concerned like to trade in the news, right? So many traders are traded in the news because they having an experience, or they have like they know the news what will impact on the market. So according to that, they need the trades, but I don't like actually. It's an gambling, you can say. It's an gambling. News itself is a gamble in the market. So I don't like to do gambling. I like price action. I love price action, right? I know. I like SMC concepts, smart money concepts, and it's working all on the price action, right? Except your news part or news time, it's work. 99% it's work. Only thing is you should have the great experience of price action or SMC. You can say what you given the name of that particular concept, right? Please wait here. Gold is trying to consolidate at this level because this is a strong support level. Gold respected to this level 2 or 3 times here. You can see at this point and this point and this point. It's the 4th attempt actually. It's a small attempt here. It's the 2nd attempt. Not work. It's move. Buyers are activate here. It's a move up. Again it's come down. Again it's trying to broke this level but not. Again buyers are activated here and move up. Again it's come down from this rejection point or rejection level. You can say this is a retracement, like this is an resistance here we have marked actually. So sweeping the liquidity of this level, then gold is moved down, and right now it's trying to break this level. Let's see what we'll do. I'm very interested in this area. Like after that there is a point yesterday, there is a level here like 4219 level here. The previous day low is here, so it's an support level. You can see gold have. What do you think guys? Gold can break this level and come down, or again it will respect to this area and move up? What do you think? It's a 4th attempt actually. You can say this is an A, or I would like to mark as a 1, right? Then this is an 2nd point. After that this is a 3rd attempt, right? And this is the 4th attempt right now, right? So what do you think guys? The first attempt, this is the 2nd attempt right here, the 3rd attempt right here, and this is the 4th attempt right now. What gold will do? Yeah, it's breaking the this support, right? It's breaking this support on 4th attempt. It's breaking. What's your best time frame which you're likely to be profitable when you execute your trade? Actually, New York session is best section. New York session is every time best. It's volatile. Price action works here, right? So many traders are activated or active here in this session. So I like New York session, like for New York and London overlap, you can say, like from 6:30 onwards till the 9:30 p.m. of Indian timestamp. I'm saying IST timestamp, like UTC plus 5:30. And especially for US market opening time, like 7 p.m. IST. I mean time frame for 5 minutes of, oh, you're asking about time frame, oh, right? So about time frame, you know, like you're watching me from last week, you can see I'm using all the time frames, right? I'm using different time frames like 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 1 minute, and 1 day also, and 1 hour also. You can see here I have the time frames, my favorite time frames here. And especially for scalping, I'm using 1 minute time frame, like to enter into the trade, right? According to our entry model. And I'm doing top-down analysis of 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 3 minutes, and 1 minute also. There is no specific time frame where I'm taking like I like, or I'm taking an entry. You have to check all the time frames. Yeah, like you have to check all the candles time frame. So because of that, I have using this indicator here, right, to show the 15 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, and 1 day time frames candles here. Like I'm always looking for candles, like how it's forming, what type of candle it is, or it is rejection candle or not. You know, actually we are focusing on rejection candle, right? So 15 minute rejection candle is best, and after that 1 hour candle is very stronger than 15 minute candle. You know how the rejection candle is explained, and I know you know that. So 4 hour rejection candle is very stronger than 1 hour. Like that, 1 day rejection candle is very stronger than 4 hour. So this is the right logic, or you can say the time frame works. Sometimes I'm checking 5 minute time frame also, like for rejection candle, or 3 minute candle also for rejection, for some small scalping. Like today I have taken, like I have done this trade, taken this trade, right? Now you can see here there is a rejection coming on this level, right? Try to break this level but not, and it's moving up. So there is an rejection here in the 15-minute chart, you can say, and this is an rejection candle because it's swept out previous candle low and it's closing above this low, right? So it's not closed yet, but definitely it can be closed above this previous candle low, right? So this is a liquidity sweep here. I call the liquidity sweep to this area, right? Or the liquidity sweep concept for me, like previous candle low swept out here by current candle. Like here also you can see in the 1 hour chart, this is a liquidity sweep because it's closing above the low of previous candle here, and you can see in the 4 hour also. So this is an confirmation here, right? Like gold can move up. This is a rejection area, and it's a strong support area. It's confirmed here, right? If the 1 hour candle closes above this level, above this above this previous candle low, right, or 4 hour or 15-minute, so what your confirmation you are taking on bigger time frame, it's very correct and it's perfectly fine for your logic. So I'm looking that into the 15-minute or 1 hour or 4 hour time frame, and bigger time frame you can say. If I do scalping in the 1 minute time frame, I'm especially looking for 1 minute time frame continuously, then I'm going to go to check the 5-minute time frame or 3-minute time frame for liquidity sweep. And here you can see there is a liquidity sweep, right? I saw the liquidity sweep here. How I am going to trade? Like we are missed this trade, but right now we have opened the opportunity because there is a fair value gap also here, right? This is a fair value gap, right? This is the liquidity sweep, as you know, just I explained. This is the liquidity sweep, right? So this is liquidity sweep in 5 minutes. In 3 minutes also this is liquidity sweep. There should be change in state, right? Right now there is no change in state in 5 minutes or 3 minutes also. I don't look 1 minute change in state multiple times, right? Sometimes I check when the levels are very stronger and good. So you can see here there is a change in state in this level, right? This is a change in state, and how you enter in the trade, right? After changing state, we are focusing on the fair value gap or any other thing. Like this also one of the point of interest area. So at this area I go for long. Like here I would like to go for long, or here I would like to go for long by keeping stop loss here or here, right? This is a very long, but especially I'll keep my stop loss here, and 1:2 I'll get here only, right? 1.9 right now I'm getting on this small scalp, right? So this is the entry model, or you can say the pattern, or you can say the setup, or you can say the strategy we are using here each and every day, right? So you just have to check right levels, right confirmations. I hope you got stand. So this was the perfect trade here. We can enter, but we missed this opportunity right now, so no worries. market will give another opportunity, right? There is no change in state here in the 5-minute or 3-minute chart. You can see guys, this is an point of interest area, so definitely market can come this area to retake this area, right? Let's see what gold want to do. This is an rejection area, you can see, and on this area, from this area only gold is trying to reject. Which advice you advise unprofitable trader who traded over 3 years, bro? The 3 years experienced traders, and they are not profitable, right? So after 3 years there should be some experience you should locate in the market, and it is a very big advice, like you have the experience of market, like how to manage your quantities, and like money management skills you should know. Like 3 years traders, what they are doing, and they are not profitable because of only one thing, like they are changing their logics, or they are changing their strategies, right? They are running to get the best strategies from the market. They are using different strategies from different peoples, right? Or they are focusing on building their own strategies, right? And always they are testing different strategies, and it is a very big mistake. Like they should know which strategy is best, and they should have backtesting. After that, they should have to work with the strategy continuously 3 years, right? After they will get successful. So 3 years in the market and they are not profitable, is that mean they are changing their strategies, right? They don't have proper money management skills. Only these two things in the market makes you profitable. And every time this type of peoples are ignoring that, like they're switching different strategies, and they don't like respecting to money management, like risk reward ratio. They should have work on their RR, risk reward ratio, and strategy. They should have keep one strategy and work on that strategy. Okay bro, I understand. It's fine, it's fine. I can see the gold is retraced here and trying to come down here. At this point, there's liquidity sweep here in 1 minute, 3 minutes also there is a liquidity sweep, and especially looking for changing state, but there is no changing state here, so we can enter here, but we don't have much more space to set our target, right? our SL is very low at this point, like that. Here we can enter SL is that, and against we are getting more than 2 right here at this level. Here itself we are getting more 1:3, so it's perfectly fine. It's very good scalp here, like in the 1 minute chart. So I'm going for last one more trade, so I'll trying to find the base trade here, right? Boss Leave, hi, welcome to the stream. Boss Lily, hi, welcome to the stream from bottom of heart. How are you? Thanks, I'm fine. Okay. What about you? I'm also very fine, like you only. So gold right now again on the support area here, you can see. And there should be the breakdown of this support here. The fourth attempt gold are done, but it's not able to break. In 15-minute chart, we can see the liquidity sweep here, and this is an retest, you can see 5-minute, but there is no change in state in the 5 minutes, so I'm not 100% sure here like to go for long at this level. Gold like to manipulate traders on and lot. Yeah, it's manipulating, like you can see here. It's so many time came at this level, try to break here, and so many people are doing trade after breaking the level. So here so many time manipulation is done by the gold. The 4 times you can say. If gold gives this change in state here, right at this level, then there is a chances to gold go upside, right? This is a strong support. There will be confirmations like this strong support, like so many times gold tries to break this level but not, right? And this is a change in state order block area or point of interest area, right? So there is a multiple confirmations here in the 5-minute chart or goal after the change in state, right? So this candle or next candle should close above this line, like change in state line, you can say, or order block line, whatever you call to this line, right? In 3-minute chart it is here, and the 1 minute already done, right? Let's see what gold wants to do. I need more confirmations here to get in the trade, right? What do you think, guys? What gold will do? Like it move up or down? Tell me, guys. Can gold will break this level, the support level, or respect this level and go up? Tell me, guys. Those who are watching from YouTube and those who are from Kick, anyone can tell me. There's a liquidity sweep in the 1 minute, but this is a point of interest area, right? Gold gives one more chance to enter in this trade like that, like to enter in this side. You can put your SL here and this will be your first target, like that. This trade is here, but especially I'm looking for long. This is a rejection here, right? I'm waiting for this change in state here, right? The 5 minute or 3 minute, whatever. After that, definitely we can go for long. Gold will buy is what I see. It broke the trend line. Okay, which trend line you asking, like telling about, Stan? You're telling about this support or what? Which trend line you are telling? I'm not getting actually. especially I'm not using the trend line multiple times. Sometimes I'm using when the market is like into the particular zone, like in the channel. So I'm using that channel, like parallel channel here, right? If the market is like that in the channel, so currently market is not in the channel, right? Like that we can say, but no, actually. So I don't like to manipulate this channel or do anything on the chart, like so. This is an, you can say, the perfect trade in the 1 minute. You can see right here, I will say, right, you can take small quantities here at this moment and you can put stop loss here. Here the first target is here, right? So you will get the 100 pips here. You are getting 100 pips here at this position where you took the sell position to down. Okay, here let's see. I don't think gold having interest to broke the label. It broke the trend line here. This is the trend line right now, the body to body trend line, like that. But it's very steep actually. We can do lots of scalp, right? We can do lots of scalp here in the gold or any index, right? Especially I go for perfect trade which having moved like from here to here, having potential, so easily we can achieve our target. This was the perfect trade here, but I'm not confirmed. Like this is the liquidity sweep in the 3 minute. Also there is no in the 5 minute, but 3 minute there is a liquidity sweep here. Not that way. Then how? I'm not getting, my dear Stan. This target is achieved. We have not taken trade here. It's a small scalp here, like 100 pips you easily get here. What we'll do tomorrow, from tomorrow we can do scalps also, right? Small scalps also from tomorrow we can do, right? 3 or 4 or 2 or 3 scalps is fine for us, right? So this is not a changing state, and what 15 minute is doing right now. 15 minute there is a consolidation here, and here is continuation, right? This is liquidity sweep in 1 hour, and this is like continuation here. So by looking to the 1 hour chart, there is a strong continuation of this trend, right? Like gold is moving here and continue into the 1 hour chart like that. So this is an retestment here, right? And rejected from this resistance and again started move down. So initially also I looking for the same and taken downside bigger trade, or you can say by taking small quantities and bigger SL here, but that not works like this. I don't know like these retracement is how much, like it's like 2 hours to retrace here, and this can be continuation. Another confirmation, if it move up, it will forming double bottom. Okay, double bottom. Already there is a double bottom here. You can see on bigger time frame there is a double bottom here like that, but from this resistance is come down. Here is a double bottom. And this is a perfect double bottom because it's a like high double bottom, like it's above to this high, just above to this high, but it's little down. This shows like this is a higher high structure, and this is like lower low because it broke the previous low here, right? Maybe at this time gold will break this level and come down to this point, right? Previous low. Let's see, guys. I'm not interested to trade here after breaking this level because you know this is a strong support. If gold will come to this level, then definitely I'll look for sale here at this level, but right now no. At this point I can take small scalp but not big move here, right? We can't capture big move here because this is an perfect support zone, support level. What do you think, guys? What do you think? Can gold can come back to try to break this level? Can it break this level or again take support of this level and go up? What do you think, guys? Tell me. It might sell. Let's just wait. Yeah, I'm strongly waiting in this area. We are in for a profit, right? We are in profit because we have taken more lots here. We are in profit today. So it's fine if we don't caught any another trade, but I'm strongly waiting for new trade, new entry, like because we have this level right here. Like I can see the gold can come to this level, like it's an accelerated low, and by looking towards daily structure or daily bias, the gold should come down to break this level also. There is strong support here, but it can be break, right? And we have this open area right now. If it move again back towards this resistance, then let's see, we can try to buy here, but there should be a strong confirmation here. We should have, like you are saying, the double bottom, so it can be that should be changing state in 5 minutes, right? You can see the liquidity sweep is here, but this is an perfect area. We can do one scalp here, right? In 3 minutes also there is a liquidity sweep. We can do one small scalp here, right? What you can do, like we go long here, this is an support, we can put your stop loss here or here, a 72 or 75 pips, right? This area, and we can set your target here, right? So this is the perfect trade. Right now, small scalping you can say, right? Because this is on support. This is an support area, and like 1:2 we can set here. We can like that, we can take the trade. Here will be our 50% level. Right, it's the 5th attempt, right? Gold is doing it now. So maybe it can be break. So take small quantities here and put your stop loss here or below here. By taking small quantities, you can put your stop loss here, right? %75 at this level. Right, let's see. It's a very small scalp. Right now there is no movement. Let's see, there should be the movement. Like if this is an support once again, then there should be a movement. There is a changing state here. You can see there is a multiple confirmation here. You can see, right? There is a liquidity sweep in 3 minutes, 5 minutes, right? And 15 minutes as well. Right now is going. Okay, let's see what will hit our target or not. What I can do, I can reduce my stop loss here, right? On this level. What do you think, guys? Tell me. It will hit our 50%, 75% our target level or not? by looking 15-minute chart, I thought it should have to move up. We are reduce our risk here, right, which is here below this support line, right? We have set it our targets are here. Now the risk reward ratio is 1:3.29, means 3.3. So this is the level, right? This is the level at 24257. So I'd like to keep my target on this level itself. Let's see. I want at least 50% profit from this trade, at least 50%, because my bigger time frame is saying like gold should have to come down, but I have taken the trade against the trend, so at least 50% profit I should get here. Right, it's moving up, no worries. Actually, I would like to book my 50% target profit here only, because I'm not expecting like gold like go up, like 50% target here only, right? I'm booking a 50% profit here, 75% here only, because it's fine, and my stop loss will be now here. It's a SL, right? We have SL here at this level. I booked my 50% profit here because I'm not expecting like gold should move up strongly here. If it will move, then it's perfectly fine, right? We will get our 75% and full target here. Yes, it's moving, and it's giving me near to my 75% target, right? So this is my last trade, guys, right? I'm doing it's a small scalp. I'm getting 137 pips here if I achieved 100% profit here. Right now I booked my 50% profit here, waiting for 75% on this level, right? The perfect level. Let's see, guys. After closing of this candle, I'll move my SL here, right below this point. So I don't want to lose my remaining lots here, right? I'll book my everything here, like 50, above the 50%, more than 50%. If gold will retrace from this point. Now my trailing SL is here, right? As you know. I hope gold will give 75% and 100% profit here. Let's see, guys. I'm strongly waiting here. like this is the resistance area, I know. And what I'll do, I'll book my 75% here, right? I don't want to wait for 75% right now, so it's near to my 75%, so it's perfectly fine to book my 75% target here, right? So I book my 75% target here, guys. You can, if you are in this trade, you can do this also. Now I would like to keep my 25% lot, remaining lots SL here, right? Or I can wait for 100% profit level, remaining 25%. For remaining 25%, what will do? Yes, it's fine here. The SL is fine here, right? Remaining 25 lots, 25% lots. I'll wait for 100% profit booking here. So I booked 75% target from this trade, and it's very, very fine. It's all on the front of you only. It's a very, very small scalp. I've not taken huge quantity here in this trade. It's small quantities, but I'm managing my quantities here, as you know. Now the gold is struggling here, right? But if gold want to move up, then definitely it will take some retracement and then move up. But we have our targets, we have our profits, we are booked our profits, right? 75% profit we already booked here, right? So we don't have any fear or any FOMO here. And our SL is here, stop loss is here at this level, so no issues. You all guys are learn here how I'm managing my trades, each and every trades. Same way I have managed this my trade, right? You can see here. This is an best trade, one of the best trade is here, like for downside movement. And you can see the movement is from here, from this support up to this support. And I like this type of nose, not this type of nose. Let's see, guys. If you have anyone are in this trade, they can book their 50% profit, because gold gives one more chance here for booking 50% profit. Those who are not booked their 50% profit will give the chance here, like book the 50% profit. Once again, I'm telling you guys, you can book and you can secure your profit like that. You can manage your trade like that by keeping your SL on the cost or above the cost, right, above the inter level, and you can book your 50% profit. Like gold gives so many times, like here chance to book your 75%, and I booked here, right? I'm not waited here, right? My 75% here, right? But I got no, like this is the level, and here from here gold can retrace. I don't know how much it retraced, but I know like I should have to book my 75% profit here only. So I booked my 75%. I'm waiting for 100% here for remaining 25% lots, like by keeping my SL below this level, right? It's a trailing level and it's in the profitable area only, right? And this is called the management. After you are in the trade, how to manage the trade you can learn here. And I am here to learn you all guys each and everything: money management, the trade logics, trade setups, each and every concepts, everything on the front of you guys, and you can definitely learn from it, I know. Like again, gold is moving up, and those who are not booked their 75% profit here, gold again gives the chance to book their 75% target here also, right? Now if the gold break this level, then what we'll do, we will keep our stop loss here on 50% below this level, right below this swing, short-term swing, right below this short-term swing, which is here only, near to our 50% profit. It's trying to break this level, right? What 15 minutes is doing right here. It can be break, and it can become up to this level, right? Our target is on this level. Let's see, guys. Gold is struggling here, like gold have to come down, I know. Okay, it's breaking the level, the previous level. You can see here. So what I'll do, I'll trail my stop loss here at this point. So there is no sense to keep your stop loss here only. We have already booked our 75% here, right? You have opportunity, guys, one more time to book your 75% profit here. I'm telling each and every people, they have taken trade here because trade gives chance, and you should have to make gold of this chance, right? Gold gives opportunity, each and every trade gives opportunity, and you should have to make gold of this opportunity, right? You can see from 822 we are in this trade. Now it's 0840. Still we are waiting, we are struggling here to get the right levels, right? You can see that this is the rejection level, right? This is the rejection level, and 75% profit booking level is this only, right? You know, guys. This is an rejection candle right now, right here, you can see, and you can see the rejection here also. Let's see what will happen. Or 25% lot is remaining here. We are waiting for right target. What do you think, guys? Our target will achieve or not? What do you think? 75% already we have booked. Only 25% is remaining. Now I'm strongly waiting for my target here, right? 100% target for that 25% lots. Right now it's trying to move up once again. It's a new high, right? Short-term high, you can say, but this is an rejection also. So this is an rejection here. You can see 2 times rejected from this area, right? Let's see. There is a rejection from bottom side also, because buyers also struggling on this area. You can see after our trade, gold never come down, right? So you can see, guys, like how our each and every trade is, right? We are taking trade at perfect level, perfect right entry. Each and every trade, you can say, except first. Trying to coming down right now. So we see the 15-minute chart. This is a rejection, right? This is a liquidity sweep candle here, right? This one also and this one also. So it might be chance to gold come down once again and break this level. Let's see, guys. We already booked our 75% here, right? And our trailing SL is here only, near to our 50%, right? Now it hits 55%. Okay, it's fine. We have booked 75% profit and remaining here in this trade, right? So it's perfectly fine trade for me, right, guys? So it's a very fine trade. Like I want 50% only from this trade, but this trade gives me 75% profit here and more than that actually, because 25% I booked here only. So more than 75% profit I getting, like more than 50% profit I got from this trade, right? So this was my last trade here, and you can see how I manage my trade. Like booked my 50% profit, 75% profit, each and everything. And the logic already I explained. Once again, I'm going to explain all of you guys. You can see if we go, it's a small scalp, right? Already I told it's a small scalp. And if you see the 5-minute chart, 5-minute time frame, it's a liquidity sweep here, right? And this candle, on this candle, on next candle, I'm looking for trading opportunity, new entry, right? So entry model is like that. Like here is this, you can see here also there is a liquidity sweep, What is liquidity sweep? You have to come daily for this. You'll get no. Some people know because they are coming from day one. So you also have to come daily here to get like each and everything, like to clear each and everything, right? So in 1 minute time frame, I saw like here we are like discussing here that this is a changing state, template changing state here, right? This is a changing state, and after that on this candle we are entered in this trade, right? It's moving right now. You can go back and check once again. We are taken the entry on this candle, right? And after that you can say gold is never ever come below our entry level. It's go up and hits our 50% and 75% profit, and you already guys checked it, you saw it, right? So that is all for today. We are live from more than 2.5 hours, so it's time to go and come for tomorrow for fresh entries and fresh trading day with fresh trading day, guys. So thank you so much for coming, and thank you so much for following me, especially for boss Lily and going tree. Okay, going tire break. Okay guys, okay Stan, I'm going. I'll come tomorrow once again. Bye boss Lee, bye bye, take care. Come daily to learn and get the logics here, right? Sure bro. Okay Stan, bye bye, love you all of you, take care, and we will meet tomorrow once again on London, not on London session, on New York session on same time. Till that, love you all, take care and bye bye.